Hi, good day, Ma'am Marivi. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Marvic Nastor. I'm from Hilongos, Leyte, and graduated as senior high school graduate in Sisters of Mary School. And I have been working in being a yaya or helper in Philippines for 3 years, and have also another experience, but it's not really about helping or in the house or caregiver. I mean, domestic help is not related. It's my skills, personal skills, and also we are 12 in the family, and I am the breadwinner.
Mhm.
Um,
All right. And then, since you are a senior high school graduate, what is your course?
I am a technical drafting and
Mhm.
seat holder, and I am also dress making holder in seat holder.
All right. So, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm single mom. I'm
Okay.
single.
Okay. So, do you have any kids?
No, no mom.
All right. So, how would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself as a hardworking employee and also honest.
All right. Then, why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because for financial problems and help my family.
All right. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, mom, for 3 years. I no no no. I mean, sorry, I don't have experience work. It's my first time, but I have experience here in Philippines, but willing to experience still in abroad,
All right.
especially in Hong Kong.
So you have work experience here in Philippines in three
Yes,
years. Did you
yes, ma'am.
finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
I do cleaning and cleaning the house, helping infants, take care, taking care of infants or toddlers, and also do cooking, washing clothes, um, um, uh, playing, do playing with babies or children. Um, I think that's all, mom.
Okay, all right. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, mom. I really love it.
Okay. So, what will you do if you become homesick?
Well, I'll do myself busy in working, do chores, house chores for my employers, and play with the babies if I will be having children in work, taking
Okay.
care of babies.
All right. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom, I love them.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy? Do you eat everything?
No, mom.
Okay. So how do you describe your cooking skills?
Um, I do. I'm good in doing cooking Filipino basic foods, and if I will be going to Hong Kong, I am willing to learn cooking your food, cooking your culture foods. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, all right. So do you have any tattoo?
No, mom.
Like, do you drink alcohol?
No, I
How
don't.
about how about smoking?
No, I don't have. I don't do smoking.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, mom.
Okay.
I already asked permission.
Okay. All right. For the last question, Ma'am Marivi, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, mom, sir. I am Marvic, and I am ready and happy to be your employee, and I will be honest and I'm responsible to my duties and and the rules that you will be giving to me. That's all.
Thank you.